Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Hello my dear, I hope you're still there onto Fusion Mobile Nigeria. Today we are discussing what we are made of, particulate nature of matter. Any physical being or parameter in the whole universe is made up of some components. And that's what we are going to discuss today. First, we talk about an atom. This is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. An atom is made up of two major sections, the nucleus and the shell. The nucleus is at the center of the atom, while the shell surrounds the atom. The nucleus is massive, while the shell is not massive. And the shell contains the electrons, while the nucleus carries the proton and neutron. The neutron is neutral when you talk about charge. The proton is positively charged, while the electron is negatively charged. And we now talk about a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance which can have a separate existence and at the same time still retain the properties of the substance or the element. Evidence of particle nature of matter. 1. Brownian motion. When we were dealing with types of motion, I mentioned this Brownian, and I said it's an example of random motion, which simply means the movement of tiny particles suspended in fluid. The second evidence is the law of definite proportion, which states that when two or more elements combine to form a compound, like getting hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen combining to form tetraoxosulfacic acid, that they always do so in the same proportion by weight. Then we talk about the third evidence, which is diffusion. By diffusion, we mean the tendency of a gas to mix with another and fill an empty space as a result of the constant random motion of the molecules. We now go into the next topic, which is elastic properties of solid. My dear, before we share that dollar they are tearing, let us take a little break and you do your classwork for me. Open up your textbook and make a detailed study of what a molecule is, as I have taught you. What this evidence imply, most especially Brownian motion. Talking about Brownian motion in burning heap, in liquid, in gas. See you in elastic property of matter.